Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to edit your photos to get this cinematic look using Adobe Lightroom CC for mobile. Also, you can download the DNG file for free using the password that will appear on this video up in the right corner. So, let's start. First, select from library the photo that you want to edit it. In the right panel, go to Light. Set the contrast on 16. Light, down to -60. Shadows, 49. Whites, -14. And blacks, up to 33. Next, go to curve. Set the curve like this. And done. Now, go to colors. Set the vibrance on 47. Saturation, to -29. Rise the temperature on 8. And tint on 20. Next, enter the colors mixed. For red, set the hue on 19. Saturation, -30. Luminance, up to 13. Go to orange. Saturation, to -15. Luminance, down to -12. For yellow, bring the hue to -100. Saturation, -30. And luminance, -18. Next, go to green. Hue, to -31. Saturation, down to -61. and luminance, up to 22. Next, select Aqua Hue to 100. Saturation to -22. For blue, set the hue to -37. Saturation, down to -27. Luminance, up to 24. And last, go to purple. For hue, set to -51. Saturation, down to -67. And luminance, -33. Now, go to Effects. Set the texture on 24. DHUS, on 35. Select, Split Tone. For highlight, set the hue on 26 and saturation on 17. For shadows, set the hue on 212 and saturation on 19. Now, go to Details. Sharpening, on 31. Masking, at 21. Set the noise reduction at 28. Color noise reduction, up to 31. Contrast, up to 14. Now, from Effects section, set Vignette to -12. Midpoint, 36. Feather, 39. And finish. Now, you can copy the settings and paste them on another photos. like this. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notifications buttons. In this way, you will be notified when another free preset is uploaded. Thank you for watching.